the, she, is, that, in. These are just a few words that are referred to as sight words. Children should recognize sight words without sounding out the letters for easy reading and fluency. Let's quickly look at the supplies. Popcorn bucket, A4 sheet, and some colored markers. Let's look at the activity. Take an A4 sheet and fold it into half. Repeat the steps to make it into smaller parts. We need some chits. On each card, write a word, a sight word that you want your child to read and understand quickly. Crumple it as shown. So words like the, and, is, this, at, and many more such words. So what are sight words? Sight words are words we want our kids to know automatically by sight because they occur so frequently in our reading and writing. Sometimes we can sound those words out and sometimes we can't. Either way, we need quick ways to teach sight words. Now, put the crumpled papers in the popcorn bucket. They look like popcorns. We are ready for the activity. Ask your child to pick up a popcorn, unfold the paper, and try to read the word. Just like this, repeat with the other popcorn sheets. Let's have a look at Muskan's activity. She picked up a popcorn, unfolded the paper, and try to read the word, this. Just like this, she picked up another paper and completed the activity. Hey, Muskan's done this activity. Do you want to try this with your little one? Let's have a little quiz time with them. Muskan is going to unfold this paper and ask your child to read the words. It's all right if they cannot read it at once. Please help them and then see the magic. Sight words are unique. Many of them can't be figured out phonetically, and they are often an exception to the rules of letter-sound relationships. The best way to learn these words is through memorization. Oh wait, but this does not mean that you sit with your child and some flashcards and just make them memorize these words. Oh no. The best way that children can learn these are through playful activities, just like this popcorn activity.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for visiting our channel. We post some fun hands-on activities for you all every week. And so, to not miss out on these activities, simply subscribe.